Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to move the label of a point within Juniper's Uinta. So this allows you to declutter your screen a bit and make it a little bit easier to see what you're doing and maybe make it a little more presentable for clients. So what I'm going to do is I've got a series of points here and I'm going to select point number 1 and I want to move that label around. So what I'm going to do is, again, I'm going to select it. That's going to bring up my point information menu. And you can see here at the top of that screen, there is an option for point label. When I select that, it's going to open up my label edit mode option. And you can see here that it highlights point number 1 and I can drag it to wherever I want in relation to this point. So if I want it above, I can drag and drop it there. And once I have it in the position that I want it, all I have to do is hit save, and it now saves my point label above the point, maybe just helping you declutter your screen. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use the point label move tool within Juniper's Uinta. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.